Can you believe we've been under this pandemic for a full year now? Could you use some do-it-yourself pandemic problem solving? Boy, I've got some good news for you. I'm Karen Hand. I'm a board-certified hypnotist, and along with my colleague, Ashley Lynn Caputo, we've put together some problem-solving techniques that you can use. Ashley had COVID way back in June, and even after she tested negative for the virus, she still suffered lingering fatigue and a loss of taste and smell. We put our modalities together, and she's doing fine now. She has her energy back. She has her taste and her smell back. I didn't have COVID. I got lucky and escaped it, but the pandemic took its toll with isolation and separation and, well, you know the routine. If you are like me, you want it to be over with so that we can travel again. That's right. In the meantime, Ashley and I have a 5-week series that will help you. You can do 1 week or all 5 and discover do-it-yourself pandemic problem solving. We'll start on March 4th with hypnosis and stress relief. Stress is the root of all dis-ease. So we'll teach you some wonderful self-hypnosis techniques to use across the board in your life. Then on March 11th, we'll talk about pain management because pandemic or not, pain is a big issue, and we want to help you manage the pain without the drugs. On March 18th, we'll help you regain taste and smell or deal with other loss that occurred over this year of pandemic. On March 25th, energy and clarity will be the spotlight. How to get motivated to move more, how to get your energy back after that lingering fatigue, or how to get yourself back after being isolated for a year. And then on April 1st, no fooling, we'll help you reclaim your best self using some NLP techniques that you can take with you and use for your entire life. Now you can attend one or all 5 of the sessions, and they'll be on Thursday nights, 6 o'clock Central Time. Ashley's on the East Coast, so she wants me to say 7 o'clock Eastern Time. You can join us, and if you want to take all 5 sessions, but you're afraid you're going to miss a week, each session, you'll get a replay of what we talked about to review and use. It's pandemic problem solving, and it starts March 4th. I hope you'll join us for all or at least a few of these sessions that will help you reclaim your life. All the sign-up information is here. I'll see you soon for pandemic problem solving.